The official website to buy Jointvive is in the video description. Only buy from the official site to ensure you get the original product, avoid fakes, and don't risk paying and receiving nothing. If you feel constant knee pain, joint stiffness when you wake up, or difficulty climbing stairs, this is a warning sign. These issues can get worse with time, especially for those over 50. They may indicate joint wear and inflammation that, if not treated early, can lead to loss of mobility, bone problems, and even the inability to walk alone. Jointvive is a natural supplement developed in the USA and used by thousands around the world to relieve joint pain, improve movement, and restore quality of life without relying on strong medications. Unlike traditional drugs that just mask pain and often cause side effects like gastritis, fluid retention, and dependency, Jointvive uses natural ingredients, has no side effects, and is safe for long-term use. Many people who were once dependent on painkillers now say they're walking, exercising, and playing with their grandkids again without pain. These are real results. If you've been waiting for the pain to go away on its own, it's time to act. The longer you wait, the more your joints wear down and the harder it is to reverse the damage. Jointvive's stock is limited due to imported ingredients and controlled production. The discounts and bundle offers available on the official website can end at any moment. So click the link in the description now, choose your kit, and secure the deal while it lasts. And remember, only order from the official website to get the real product, with full tracking and a money-back guarantee. Don't risk your health with unreliable sites. Jointvive might be what you need to live pain-free again, with freedom and quality of life. The link is right below.